Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome back to another episode of the Profit Takers podcast, where all we do is win, win, win. All right, guys, today I have a short video. This is so easy on how you can get ready to be set up for your next day trading when you get these signals, because they are ready, right? It's already new trading day. It's already the new trading day today, guys. So these signals have confirmed. So let's take a look. All right. So the first two I'm going to talk to you about are with oil and the dollar CAD. They both confirmed one day or one peak formation low or low of week or green day, whatever you want to call it. It's a green signal. We're looking to go long tomorrow, guys. So we're going to be ready for that, right? So real quick, let's do this. Let's draw this low of week here. Who knows? Price might come down here. This is pretty extended a little bit. It's the new low of week. This was actually last week's low. So let me make a correction there. Just like that. And then this now is the low of the week. Okay, so today I did take this thing long because I was looking at it yesterday and it gave me the signal to go green anyway because, actually, why did I go green? I went green because price went to the low. That's why I went green. There was really no signal because technically this is telling me that price is closed below the open, and that should indicate a red signal, like to go short, which did happen for those in the earlier sessions. But once price hit the low, last week's low, then you got to change your mind, because is price breaking out, right? Or is it going to break out in trend, break out in reverse? And guess what? It broke out and it reversed. So that's why it's very important to draw your levels so you can have an idea where you are. And anytime price hits a major zone like this, just be ready. Okay, this thing went on all day long and I did jump in for the ride. It was probably one of the better trades that I took today because of how smooth and how everything went. Okay, so now we are here where price is closed way above, right, the open. And that should let us know that for tomorrow we have a signal to go long, right? So what we're looking for in this end of day consolidation or the beginning of, Asia. Actually, I'm not making any moves until London, New York time, but we're looking for a stop hunt low rise. Okay. That is all we're going to look for, guys, because there's only 3 things that the markets do, and here's one of them. All right, so this should play out really well, okay? It should at least give us an opportunity to go to 280R. That's usually my first area. And then, of course, my second area is the ADR high, okay? Now, or you can, I don't know that it's going to get all the way back to the high of week tomorrow. I'm not sure if that's going to happen. That might happen tomorrow's Wednesday. It could happen Thursday. But definitely tomorrow we're looking to take this long if prices do that, right? If they give us the opportunity to do it, that is really where I want to go. And typically when we get these type of signals, guys, it's going to play out. I'm always going to say the probability that it's going to play out, because we never really know what markets are going to do. But this right now is looking good for another long trade tomorrow based on what we saw, what happened today. Okay. Now the other signal that came through and confirmed was the dollar CAD. This one did hit just the low of this week, right? Last week's low was right here. Okay. And it just hit the low of this week, the new low, because yesterday we had prices at the low. So basically today was a second day hitting the low, and it didn't break out and continue. It just failed, and then it continued to rise. Beautiful trade for the early birds, early Asia in London, all the way up to the daily high low, yesterday's high. That was a beautiful trade. But when it came to New York, boy, this thing was ugly. So I did try to hold on here, and I was like, oh, I can't take it. I can't take it. This is where I need to just close the chart and let it be, right? Because it did what I wanted it to do. But I hate watching it, and I like to watch my trades. So this is the one I just like, and I'm not gonna be able to do it. Okay. So this was another confirmed for tomorrow. So what are we looking for here again? We're looking for prices to give us a stop hunt, low rise, and here is the area that we're working with. So that was the high, and then I guess, that will be good for the low for the close of the day. Okay, so again here, let's draw this right in here so we know what to do tomorrow. Where's my little... Hope you guys can see that okay. Why this is not progressing? I haven't done anything. Let's see. Yeah, hold on. Let me check something real quick. Oh yeah, there we go. This is why it wasn't progressing. This opened up on another screen, and that's when I get flustered and wonder what is going on. Nothing's going on. You just had something open. Okay. So we're going to write here, stop hunt low. Rice. That's what we're looking for tomorrow. Okay. All right. So that's it for that one. Now let's look at gold, guys, because gold did a couple things today. First of all, it's 5 days since the peak high, and we have an exceeded ADR here. Okay. We had prices come down to the previous week low, and now we have some support. Not only do we have support on that, looks like we're getting support at the quarter level of 1900. So this one's looking very good for a reversal tomorrow. Okay. Looking very good. The max ADR right now is at 3.55. Real-time ADR is 3.37. So, again, we're looking good, guys, to go long. This hasn't changed yet with the dashboard. But once price gets to move in tomorrow, it will do so. Today, this one was kind of slow. I was able to take this thing short early on in the session, and it was nice, but it was still very slow. Creepy crawly slow. It was so annoying, right? It was another one where once I hit my first TP, usually I'll go back and get more, but I just didn't, I was just like, this thing is just ridiculous. Okay. So, and it's usually like that whenever we know we're going to have a bunch of news coming up. And then of course, tomorrow should be a fairly good trading day. So let's see what we got going on Forex Factory for tomorrow. No news set up for tomorrow. Check this out, guys. There's no news for tomorrow, but Thursday we have the Fed. That's later on in the day, so it's probably going to be another boring day to watch price. But we'll see. We might get some action at 8:30 after that happens. Unemployment claims, and then what else? But that's Thursday. Sorry, guys. But Wednesday, totally no news. So we'll see if everything plays out nicely in terms of, what we just saw now for those three trades, right? Gold giving us a reversal, dollar CAD, stop hunt low rise, and also oil with the stop hunt low rise. Okay. So pushing out of the open range, giving us that push that we're looking for, because we're always looking for three pushes out of the range, or three, let's say three previous day highs, three pushes, right? Because those things are very important to let us know that a reversal is coming. Okay. And then of course the tool will let us know as well. All right. So that's all I had for now. I told you it was going to be short and sweet. If you haven't already done so, be sure to join us in our locals group, because that's where we're going to get the drop when this tool is released out to the community and to all the Forex traders out there, you want to be the first to know and the first to save money, right? I'm not here to, trading is hard enough, right? It's very hard and it's expensive because you're spending your time and your money, right? If you're buying courses, if you are reading books about it, you had to have bought them somewhere, or maybe you found someone who gave it to you, and that's the time that you put. Time is money too, right? And so what we're doing here, guys, is trying to make this thing easy and accessible to anyone and everyone who's looking for a way to change their life with trading. Okay, so that will be all for today, guys, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Ciao for now.